Your LG portable air conditioner not cooling properly? Here are the essential troubleshooting steps to get it working again. First, check the power supply. Ensure the unit is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet and verify your circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Next, verify your settings. Make sure the unit is set to cooling mode and the target temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Try resetting the unit by unplugging it for 30 seconds to 3 minutes, then plugging it back in. This can resolve electronic glitches. A dirty air filter is the most common cause of poor cooling. Clean or replace the filter every 2 to 4 weeks, more often if you have pets or live in a dusty environment. Check the exhaust hose installation. It should be properly connected, not kinked or blocked, and ideally kept under 5 feet long for optimal performance. Ensure proper airflow by maintaining at least 20 inches of clearance around the unit. Check for any obstructions near air inlets or outlets. Finally, check for ice formation on the coils. If you see ice, turn off the unit immediately and let it melt completely. Ice indicates restricted airflow and can damage your air conditioner. After cleaning your air filter, the next crucial step is resetting the filter indicator light. Different LG models have specific reset procedures that you need to follow. For newer touch control models, power on the unit and press and hold the mode and timer buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Some models require pressing the mode button 3 times in succession. Alternatively, you can turn the air conditioner on and hold both the temperature up and temperature down buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. If the light doesn't reset, unplug the unit for 1 minute and try again. If filter reset doesn't solve the cooling problem, inspect the drainage system. Check drain lines for blockages, clean the condensate pan, and ensure proper water flow through both primary and secondary drain lines. Some issues require professional help. Refrigerant leaks must be handled by EPA-certified technicians. For compressor problems in new units, LG might offer a refund rather than repair. Don't attempt complex electrical repairs yourself. Regular maintenance significantly extends your air conditioner's lifespan. Proper care can keep your LG portable AC running efficiently for 7 to 10 years, saving you money on energy costs and preventing major breakdowns. Remember these key points. Always reset the filter light after cleaning. Check the drainage system if cooling problems persist. Call professionals for refrigerant leaks, and maintain your unit regularly to maximize its lifespan and efficiency.